Model, 70-plate Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited 1.5 TDCI 36k miles, none runner, no VAT, bargain, one owner. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 36,379. MOT, the 9th of December 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS 6H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine does not start and want turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it, well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, aircon, electric windows, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,895 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074